lovelies, you're welcome to the channel once again, and in today's video I'm coming to prepare flaxseed gel for my hair. So this is my flaxseed gel and this is my pan, and all I need is my water. So this is my cup for measuring the water, and this is 300 ml. So I'll be measuring my 300 ml of water into my pan. This is my cup for measuring the flaxseed gel. So this is to third cup. So I'm measuring to third of the flaxseed gel, which I'll add to the water. So now my flaxseed gel is in the water, and my just to give it a stir and put it on fire. And here is my flaxseed gel on fire. So with this, it has to be on fire for some time. Now my flaxseed gel has started to boil, and I have to leave it on fire for it to boil and boil really well. So I give it a stir to see how thickened it's becoming. So whilst it is on fire, it starts to thicken up and it starts to form a gel. So I have to keep on stirring consistently so that it won't stick under the pan. So you can see that the texture of the flaxseed gel has changed and it is very slimy. So I am done boiling my flaxseed gel. So over here I was trying to leave it down for a while to cool down because I can't squeeze it while it is that hot. I have my glass bowl here, which I'll use in squeezing. So first of all, I tried using this to sieve the flaxseed gel, but it didn't work because I left it for it to cool down. So I decided to use the cheesecloth, which you are seeing over here. Even though it is still hot but not that hot, so squeezing became very difficult because the flaxseed gel is hot and it was burning my fingers. But I need to try because I don't want it to get cold so completely, because when it gets cold maybe I might not be able to squeeze it out. So yeah, I was trying very hard to just squeeze the gel off. Yeah, so my flaxseed gel is ready to be used. So mine is to transfer it into my applicator containers. So I have this small applicator container which has a small opening up that I can just pour into my palm and use in my hair. Actually, transferring it into the applicator bottle became very difficult, but I need to find my way out and transfer it in there. So it is ready, and I'm coming to transfer the rest of the flaxseed gel into my clean bowl. As you can see, it's so thick, very thick, guys. So my flaxseed gel is ready to be used. It is very simple to prepare flaxseed gel, and you can use flaxseed gel to replace eco gel or styling gel that you've been using. It is so effective. It will curl your hair up just as you want. So here I'm just putting just a drop in my pan for you guys to see how thick it is. So it's simple. My flaxseed gel is ready to be used. So I'm about to apply some of the flaxseed gel onto my hair. So this is my flaxseed gel. I'm coming to apply it to my natural hair. I applied to my hair and I twisted it up because I wanted to go and do something, and now it has dried up and I'm untwisting it. After untwisting my twist, you can see how it is looking so coily. My hair has curled up so beautiful. So I just pat it into a simple style. Well, and here I top it out with my scarf to make it look simple. So you can always use flaxseed gel to exchange with your eco gel or your styling gel. Thanks so much to each and every one of you. I'm really grateful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.